Often our busy schedules leave us little or no time for others or ourselves. It's probably the same for you too, right? That's why I believe when possible, it's important to take little breaks from our hectic schedules for short family holidays. We often take little breaks by accompanying Rupak on his work trips. This is not possible for everyone, of course. It depends on your situation and circumstance. So do share with us your family bonding tips too.
मैं जब भी ट्रैवल करती हूँ तो बच्चों की कुछ बेसिक चीज़ें मैं हमेशा साथ लेती हूँ, जैसे कपड़े, डायपर्स फॉर काय बिकॉज ही स्टिल अ बेबी, जॉनसन्स बेबी वाइप्स रियली यूजफुल, thermometer if God forbid someone has fever, basic medicines and some basic antiseptic creams, things like that. Johnson's top to toe wash ये बहुत ही यूजफुल है क्योंकि इसमें शैम्पू और सोप दोनों एक ही बोतल में है. Of course, entertainment, books or toys ready to go.
As you can see, I am completely ready. Zen is extremely excited and Kai is sleeping. Rupak returned from work late last night, so he is busy with some last-minute packing. In season 1, when Rupak and I were getting ready for our first vacation with Zen, I remember the chaos and the mad rush. We were about to miss our flight. Now it seems rather calm. Where are we going?
Thailand.
Yeah! Daddy, don't be so late.
Come, I'll give you the car.
But this vacation is different. After 2 kids, the scene is a little different. I would say for the better, as we are a bit more experienced.
It's a whole new experience for my mom who's coming. She doesn't realize how chaotic we are. Bye, Ruti!
Bye.
I agree. This time I'm spoiled. I've got help.
So we are on our way and we reach the airport well in time.
And we had a really good flight. Zen and Kai were both really good flight. I was very impressed. Where are we? Zen! Where are we?
Bangkok.
I believe that kids, first and foremost, understand the language of love. And the people of Bangkok are so friendly that Zen and Kai were thrilled.
Wonderful hospitality in Thailand.
Here, you can have the car.
Wow! Look! Daddy is so well organized. My God, it's huge.
Yeah, it is quite.
Zen was very excited about his new room.
This car got and then my got.
Exploring a new place with kids can be great fun and rather interesting.
Oh my God. Hi, it's our first morning in Thailand. We are in Bangkok and we're at this beautiful park which is just opposite the Emporium Suites where we're staying. Zen, say hi, say good morning.
Good morning.
Say Swadika.
That is Swadika.
During holidays, we all tend to get a little lazy and want to relax, which is natural and fine, of course. But even so, there's one thing I never forget, even when I'm holidaying. That's my morning jog. I am quite a fitness freak, but even if you're not, I would suggest walking or jogging and exploring any new place you visit. You'll get your exercise and you'll know the place better.
So we've got about half an hour before Kai wakes up to do some shopping. So I actually have a list of things that I really need to get, and we're very conveniently located right in the Emporium Mall. So we've got half an hour to run and do that. See, life with 2 is much more hectic than with just 1.
Spent so much time shopping for the children that by the end of it we were quite exhausted. We then joined Rupak for lunch.
What can baby eat?
ordered a lot of things on the menu. But ordering the right food for the kids in a Japanese restaurant was quite a task. Life is not always easy. We had taken a one-day stopover in Bangkok, and now it was time to get ready for Pattaya, where Rupak had a work conference. Zen participated wholeheartedly. First, he ordered food for Kai.
Kai congee. Kai congee. Can you give Kai congee? Can you get Kai congee, please?
Helped Daddy with his packing, and even showed great concern for his toys.
Go. Mama, will I tap it to do that? Will I tap it? Will I
The sandpit, yeah, the sandpit. Because now I must say, children today make amazing observations and have a tremendous sense of logic.
Where's your what?
Where's your what?
My plastic.
Your plastic, oh, the plastic toys we've taken because we're going to Pattaya. It's so amazing. At 2 years and 8 months, fully logical, analytical questions. He wants to know where his plastic toys are and where's the sand pit, because he knows he plays with the sand in the sand pit. And now we've explained that we're going to the beach, so he wants the plastic toys. Fascinating. And then we were on our way to Pattaya. Coming up, more fun and frolic on this incredible holiday adventure. Wow, Kylo's meal! Yay! Yummy, yummy, yummy.
कहाँ है, क्या खाया है, उसका बाथरूम हुआ है कि नहीं है, मतलब ये सब मुझे एक ध्यान रखना पड़ता है आपको भी.
How do you manage your home life and your career?
I just want to say it's very difficult and hats off. और सब मतलब जो भी working women हैं उन सब औरतें के लिए एक पूरा सलाम.
Pattaya is a beach city 2 hours away from Bangkok. If you are going for a short trip with your children by bus, train or plane, then I would recommend you travel in the afternoon. That way, the children can nap and their night sleep is not disturbed. And if you are going on a long trip, then I would recommend you travel at night so that hopefully they can sleep all through the night. Long trips in the day can be exhausting for both you and the kids. We've had breakfast and now we're going swimming. It's a little bit overcast and drizzly, but it's warm, so that's nice. Be careful, you go down the steps, you go down the steps. Come on. Kaipi's enjoying the view. Wow. Infinity pool for both the boys. Kaipi, are you enjoying the view? We spent a lot of time in the water. Sometimes at the beach and sometimes in the pool. Most children love playing in water. Both our kids could spend the entire day in the water if left up to them. Zen and Kai don't know how to swim yet, so most of our time was spent in the kids' pool. When he had breaks from work, Rupak joined us too, and we had a lot of fun. Having Gaga, the term Zen and Kai use for their granny, with us was a lot of help, as we could take turns looking after both the kids. When she played in the sand with Zen, I fed Kai. When traveling with kids, one thing most mums are worried about is food. On social media too, many mums ask me about this. Shagufta Charanya from Mumbai asks, while traveling, should we pack baby food for the children or should we introduce them to new cuisine? Hi Amisha Gupta. When experiencing a new place, I have usually tried to give Zen and Kai a taste of the local flavor, with minimal spices, etc., of course. If a child experiences new flavors at a young age, then it helps them develop their tastes and their palate. In Pattaya too, I met with the kitchen staff and got them to make an interesting local dish, rice with fish.
So what fish is this? Snapper.
The simple way of making it. First add the snapper fish to boiling water and let it boil. Add to it fiber-rich vegetables like broccoli and carrots with salt. Blend it in a blender with boiled egg yolk and rice. And your simple but high-fiber food is ready.
Wow, Kylo's meal! Yay!
Now let's see if the children accept or reject it. Up to their mood.
Yummy, yummy food! Chickadee boo! Eat yummy food with your brother.
Yummy!
And now let's check if Zen also likes it.
As children grow older, their likes and dislikes with regards to food become more pronounced.
Do you want chips?
Yes.
More tantrums, so more hard times for mummy.
Zen, come on, calm down, Zen. Zen, calm down. You have to eat your lunch.
Now Zen has his own demands. He has rejected the chicken skewers, and after a lot of pacifying, he finally ate his veggies.
Yummy, yummy broccoli.
Dr. Baltico saying, well done,
Good
Zen.
boy. Yummy, yummy.
Best boy in the world.
boy.
Did you picked it this morning, darling?
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy! We must make our travel plans, keeping our kids in mind. When you're with children, you can't make your trip too hectic. So before dinner, we dropped the plan of exploring the market and came instead to the kids' play area. After all, one needs to find new ways to keep the kids entertained. After playing, we joined Rupak for dinner. So now it's daddy time. Tagging along on Rupak's work trips means that although we don't get to see him much in the day, we get to spend quality family time together when he is back from work.
I love you. You love me. We are happy family with a big, big hug and a kiss. Let me tell you, want you there. You love me too. I love mom. I love that. You a big hug and a kiss. Let me tell you, want you there. You love me too.
Yay! Look who's clapping!
Yeah.
Going to a local Thai market here in Pattaya. With kids, we haven't really left the resort much. So this is our first local outing. We are in Pattaya's local market. Exploring a local market is quite a unique experience. That's why my suggestion is that apart from the usual malls, one should also explore local markets so that one can get the real picture and really experience the place.
How much? 20 baht.
20. Now I think we have to bargain. Gaga and I too did our bit of shopping for shoes, accessories and clothes. Thai cuisine has a variety of seafood. In this market, we got to see all that too. My favorite part was watching Zen at the market. So another new experience for us all. Sightseeing with babies, at some point you have to be ready to pick them up and keep going. And we're now going to see a temple. Thailand has more than 40,000 Buddhist temples. If you come to Thailand, you must explore at least some of them. The speciality of these Buddhist temples is the peace you find there. In today's world, finding so much tranquility in one place is not easy. As a parent, we try to give our children exposure to all faiths, so they're able to respect them all. Zen enjoy the Buddhist temple made me really happy. The practice of ringing these bells has been going on for ages. The belief is that it gives you positive and spiritual strength. For a while, Zen and I got lost in the serenity of the chimes. But now it was time to return to the hotel. My family loves to travel, but not everyone can travel. Everyone's circumstance in life is different. Some people are even skeptical about whether holidaying with children would be any fun at all. Everyone has their own opinion and each to their own. But I believe that even with little kids, you can have a great holiday. Yes, the style of the holiday changes, but you can have a lot of fun with them too. So don't be afraid to get set, go. Coming up, a chat with a special friend.
कहाँ है, क्या खाया है, उसका बाथरूम हुआ है कि नहीं है, मतलब ये सब मुझे एक ध्यान रखना पड़ता है, आपको भी.
How do you manage your home life and your career?
I just want to say it's very difficult and hats off और सब मतलब जो भी working women हैं उन सब औरतें के लिए एक पूरा सलाम.
तो आज हम हैं the super talented national award winning actress and super mom and one of my best friends Konkona Sen Sharma के साथ.
Thank you तारा. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैं आ सकी हूँ. I'm very excited about season 2.
Thank you. तो कोको अब हरून 2 साल के होने वाला है.
हम सोच भी नहीं सकते हैं.
पहले साल से दूसरा साल का सफर कैसे रहा?
In the first year, it can be a bit overwhelming because I think nothing prepares you for that level of sleep deprivation. लेकिन I think धीरे-धीरे मतलब नहीं सोने का भी आदत पड़ जाता है.
बिल्कुल.
And बच्चे लोग as they मतलब जैसे वो बड़े हो रहे हैं उनके sleeping habits भी अच्छे हो रहे हैं. थोड़ा बहुत. अब थोड़ा बहुत बोलने लगा है ना?
हाँ.
तो
उससे तो बहुत फायदा होता है. बोलना और चलना ये दोनों चीजें से काफी आसान हो जाता है. इनफैक्ट हर वर्किंग मदर से सवाल पूछा जाता है कि हाउ डू यू मैनेज योर होम लाइफ एंड योर करियर.
I just want to say it's very difficult and hats off और सब मतलब जो भी working women हैं उन सब औरतें के लिए एक पूरा सलाम क्योंकि मतलब वो कैसे करते मेरे लिए तो it's a daily struggle. Every day I'm like अच्छा आज मैं सुबह बाहर जा रही हूँ तो शायद शाम को मैं घर पे रहूँगी. अच्छा कल तो मुझे शाम को ये करना है तो सुबह you know I'll have to be at home or whatever you know.
Yeah, I feel बच्चे के साथ तो लाइफ बदल जाता है. So has your life changed completely?
मैं तो सेम ही हूँ. मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं एकदम बदल गई हूँ वैसे लेकिन डेफिनेटली मेरे ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ है अभी. ऑलवेज फिक्र रहता है कि अच्छा एनी टाइम ऑफ द डे आई हैव टू बी लाइक हरून कहाँ है, क्या खाया है, उसका बाथरूम हुआ है कि नहीं है, मतलब ये सब मुझे एक ध्यान रखना पड़ता है, आपको भी. तो दैट इज आई थिंक इट कॉम्प्लिकेट्स लाइफ अ लिटिल बिट बट इट्स नथिंग वी कांट हैंडल.
Yeah, no, exactly. And talking of values, what would you like him to learn? I know a lot, but if you had to like just sort of
Well, आजकल जैसा जो चल रहा है हमारे दुनिया में जैसा हमने पढ़ा है आजकल इतना रेप हो रहा है जो गैंग रेप विक्टिम थी. आई थिंक दिस हैज मेड अस ऑल बिकम वेरी अवेयर ऑफ हाउ टू ब्रिंग अप बॉयज. Also, that's one part of the problem, you know, because there's an inbuilt patriarchy in our system. So, I'm very pleased to have an opportunity to bring up a boy as I would like. उसको सब कुछ आना चाहिए मतलब cooking, cleaning, helping out. But this is all what I'm hoping for. I don't know how much I'll achieve. But I would like him to be like a well-rounded and not give him a very gender-biased upbringing. And I think it depends so much on your values and your parenting, you know, what kind of an approach you take to parenting.
मुझे really लगता है जैसे आपने कहा कि it all begins with education and the truth is that is where
and they see ना क्योंकि वो लोग तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप उनको बोलो कि ये करो फिर वो करेगा. वो देखेंगे कि हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं और हमसे ही सीखेंगे कि क्या हम कह रहे हैं वो नहीं सुनेगा लेकिन जो हम कर रहे हैं वो देख के वही करेगा.
बिल्कुल.
तो we have to be exemplary human beings.
Absolutely.
It's really a pain.
Very difficult. I often get told by Rupak, don't say that word. You're about to say it, don't say it because the next minute one of the kids is saying it. So you have to be super careful. So तुम्हारी जो upbringing थी, do you find yourself doing a lot of the same things with Haroon or are you being very different to how your mom was with you, how your dad was with you?
जैसे मेरे माँ बाप ने मुझे बड़ा किया है. I'm a fan of that system. It's called benign neglect. My mother calls it benign neglect. You know, because I think the main thing is to expose them to different kinds of things, you know, that we don't just live in a very entitled, privileged niche of society, that we live with everybody, and that, you know, there are all kinds of things, all kinds of people, all kinds of, you know, the arts that one can expose them to. So I think I had one of those upbringings, and I would like my children to as well, you know.
What about the role of the dad? Is Ranveer hands-on? Is he a good dad? Does he spend time with Haroon?
Yeah, he's a great dad. He's a great dad, in fact. I have to travel a lot because of work, and sometimes I can't take him. So I've left him with, I've left the boys together with some trepidation. But वो लोग एक दूसरे के साथ बहुत ही खुश रहते हैं, बहुत मस्त है, बहुत खेलते हैं एक साथ. And of course, I have a great nanny who's very good at feeding him, because that is the one thing which
feeding is
traumatic.
It's
and
traumatic
takes forever.
Really traumatic.
So feeding is my least favorite parent-child activity.
मेरा भी.
But I have a great doctor, और मेरा डॉक्टर कहते हैं कि toddlers को जितना खाना वो चाहते हैं उतना ही खाना दीजिए, उससे ज़्यादा force मत कीजिए. तो we've taken his advice quite seriously.
Yeah, thank you so much, Coco. As always, you're really the best mom, friend, and now fellow mom. So.
Thank you for having me on the show again in season 2.
Or here's a little present.
Sweet. Thank you.
As always, it was great chatting to Coco. And in this show, we are going to chat to many more mums too. As always, I say, this show is not just about me and my family. I am a metaphor for all of you mums out there. So do please share with us your tips, comments, and experiences on our social media platforms. So till next week, bye-bye. In the next episode, come watch some more adventures on this incredible journey of bringing up our kids. Raina's saying that Pepe went and did potty. Zen is so good, he's taking them to do potty. The Glad Rags Little Master India and Miss India contest.